what is the ROI for somebody who enrolls in the program.
Sure.
And by ROI, they mean kind of, how will their day-to-day work change, say in 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, while they're doing the course and as the course ends. It's a bit tactical, but if you can take a stab at that.
No, ROI is always great. And see, from an ROI perspective, people sort of always talk about that what will they learn, or how will their profession change, whether there will be a salary jump or not, whether they'll be able to translate into more meaningful roles, or let's say better roles, better firms. See, at Scalar, we have consistently delivered ROI for thousands and millions of people who have come in touch with us, right? I think people can go on the website and refer to our placement reports and look at the kind of outcome that we have generated. However, we will still say that for PGP in business and AI, all of that will also happen, but let's not focus on that. Let's focus on that how the professions are changing as of today, and how do we make sure that the best ROI that we can create for them is for these people who enroll to feel more confident every day when they go to their office, right? Because every day when I come in, as I said, I'm faced by how much development it is happening, how I see my team using vibe coding tools, and then because I did my product management journey a few years back, I feel that I don't know, I can't help them. So the immediate ROI, if I talk, is making you feel more confident, aware, and adaptive of how the professions are changing for you to be able to contribute and continue to contribute. In 3 months, I think you will be ready to not only understand what are the fundamental technologies that fuel all of these AI tools that you use today, and to be able to sort of start using these tools. So because of the framework that we have in the program, the kind of assignments we'll give you while we teach in the first 3 months business fundamentals, every class after the class will have a very detailed problem that you will have to solve using AI tools out there. So while you might be using it, there are a lot of capabilities that are possible. So we will help you navigate all of this. With your peer group, you will start exploring a lot of new frameworks and a lot of new tools you might not have heard about. So in 3 to 6 months, I think you will have a lot of confidence. You will understand the underlying technologies. You will know the current business principles, as well as, let's say, the tools that can enable you with it. After 6 months, the last part of the 3 to 4 months of the curriculum is how do you, let's say, now leverage all that you have learned to solve complex business decisions, where a lot of industry experts and founders will come and throw problems at you, which, let's say, for example, how do you reduce my CAC for acquisition of users by 15% using AI? So all of these things which these founders have already done for their businesses, they will come and sort of give you, where as a group you will try and solve using every business fundamental and AI tools and AI fundamentals that you have learned. And then with them, you will try to understand that how did they actually use AI to solve this? What were the critical decisions that they had to make? And they will guide you, so that when you are, I think learning by doing is the best thing. So you try and do that first, but then you also learn from the experts. And over a period of time, the AI application in business decision making is what will be grilled into you across different professions. So if you are a product manager, we'll get you a product expert. Over a period of 1 to 2 months, they will grill these sort of aspects into you, how to create evals, how to, let's say, use AI to create vibe coded products for better demos. How do you reduce the time to ship as an engineer? If you are a marketer, how do you reduce CAC using AI? So all of these key business problems, how do you solve them using AI? Using case studies through industry experts or founders is what will be covered. So see, the idea is that if you go through that hands-on, and if these things are grilled into you, you will be very, very comfortable in using these in your day-to-day at your own workplace or the business that you operate in. And if you're able to do that, I think there is no better ROI than your career getting supercharged, or you being seen in your own firm that this is a professional who is already AI ready, and probably this is the person that we need for the next leg of our journey as well. Or if you're leading your own business, that can create 10x massive opportunities for you by just reducing cost, or creating more sales, or doing a lot of, let's say, value creation for the business. So all of that becomes possible. So this is the ROI as we at Scalar really want to create for you, and we are very confident that will happen. But as I said earlier, outcomes in terms of your promotions at your workplace, outcomes in terms of getting better roles at better firms, all of that will also happen, but it's secondary and should not be indexed a lot on.